Hi, welcome to my channel Artsy Hub. So today we are going to draw the simple flower. So first I'm going to start with an oval. Next, at the center of the oval, I'm going to draw a small curve. Next, converting the ovals into wavy lines which are going to be like petals. Next, we're going to do the bottom part of the flower, which is going to be pretty easy. Next, we are going to add a few leaves on the left side and right side. After adding the leaves, I'm going to add a bud, and then I'm going to shade it. I'm going to start shading it. Let's start from this one. So here, after shading both left side and right side, I'm using the tissue here to blend on both the sides to make it smooth. Next, I'm going to shade the upper portion, the petals. What I'm going to do is I'm going to shade it in all the direction. It's not going to be horizontal direction, it's not going to be vertical direction, but with respect to petals, the direction is going to be, as you can see, the direction is towards all the degrees. Next, adding a little bit of darkness towards the petals, making it a little darker. Now I'm using my stumps to make it smooth, to blend it. Let me take my dark pencil, and then using my dark pencils, I'm going to make it a little darker, even the outline, and start shading these petals. So here, as you can see, it's curvy direction of the shading that I'm using. And then I'm going to blend it with the tissue. So this is a very simple shading method that we are learning today. There are different methods of shading, different ways, so it differs from artist to artist. So I've made it very smooth. Even for the background I've added. Now I'm using my dark pencil here to make it really dark, the outlines. Usually what happens is we never give dark bold outlines while shading. So this is just a practice work that we are doing, and hence we have given a bold outline. Next, adding a little bit of darkness towards left side and right side of the leaves, and then blending it with tissue. So here now, with the same tissue which has a little bit of charcoal, a little bit of darkness, I'm going to blend the background as well. And then now I'm using my kneaded eraser to give some highlights, just to make it a little bit real, not too realistic. It's a simple flower. Thank you for watching. If you like my video, please subscribe.